Hi, I'm Jacob, and in this short video, I'm going to show you how you can replace your current Hue Bridge with the new Hue Bridge Pro, which enables some interesting features like motion aware. So I've got my new Bridge Pro and I've plugged it into my network. And now on the Hue app on my phone, I'm going to go into settings, and then I'm going to look for Hue Bridges. At the moment, my current old hub is listed here, but not the new one. And so the very first thing to do is to tap the plus button in the top right-hand corner. This will request to use your phone's camera, and you're going to scan the QR code on the base of the new Bridge Pro. And then, when it's found that, it's going to ask you to connect either via an Ethernet cable or via Wi-Fi. I'm going to go for the cable, so I'll plug that in now, and I'm going to simply search for the bridge on the next screen. Just like that, Hue has found the Bridge Pro. And now we get to the most fun part of any new hardware, installing the inevitable software updates. Luckily, this only took a few moments for me, probably less than about 2 minutes, and through the magic of editing, you haven't even got to watch that happen. Look, magic, it's done, it's installed. Once the update is complete, your Hue Bridge is going to restart itself. And to make sure it's fully finished restarting, you want to check that both the LEDs lit up white on the front of the device. If they are, we can move on, and we can press the big button on the top of the bridge to confirm the connection onto our phone. This will link it to our Hue account, and obviously our phone as well. The next step is to give our new bridge a name. I'm going to very imaginatively call mine Hue Bridge Pro. And then when we move on to the next screen, things get a little bit more interesting. This is when you're given the option to migrate from your current bridge onto the new Bridge Pro. And as you can see, all of these different things are going to be transferred. Entertainment zones, lights, switches, all of those sort of things. So I'm going to go ahead and press yes, and then we can choose the old bridge that we want to replace. So my one's just called Hue Bridge. When we press next, it's then going to give us a little warning. And unfortunately, Apple Home and Alexa are not going to be transferred across from bridge to bridge. That means you have to reconfigure these afterwards. For me, I've only got about 15 lights in the house, so it's not the end of the world having to do it again. But if you've got 50 lights, it might be a pause here, because actually there is quite a hassle going through and re-adding all of those. I will show you at the end of the video how that process looks, and it's not hard at all, it's just a little bit time consuming is all. As we go through the last steps here, it's going to tell us which devices are not going to transfer to the new bridge. In my case, these are 4 lights that have been unplugged for quite a while, and they haven't been updated, so that's why they're not there. I'm not fussed about this, so I'm going to just continue as normal, and then we're going to see this message here. Basically, this process could take up to half an hour. For me, it was about 15 minutes, give or take, but in that time, you can't control your lights and you can't unplug the bridge, old or new. Once both devices are prepared, the Hue app is going to start transferring the lights and the devices across for you, and don't worry, you haven't got to watch all 15 minutes. Instead, let's jump straight ahead now to the very end of that process. Magic. And here you can see a reminder that those other 4 lights have not transferred. I knew that going into this, I'm not that fast, it's absolutely okay. The next thing to do is to remove the old bridge from our network, and it recommends using a paperclip to actually factory reset that old bridge, which I guess will avoid conflicts. I've done that on my one just now, and now when I move on, it's going to prompt me to reconfigure Apple Home and Alexa. I'm just going to do Apple Home for now, and as I go through the process, it's going to ask me to remove the old hub in the Home app itself. So let's do that now. As the instructions on screen tell you, you need to leave the Hue app and open the Apple Home app instead. From here, we're going to press the More button in the top right-hand corner, that's those 3 dots, and we're going to go into Home Settings. On this screen, we're looking for bridges and hubs, and on there, I can then remove the old Philips Hue hub. Since we moved across to the new hub, the old one's not actually doing anything, so it's no problem removing it from home, but it is going to take all of the old devices and switches with it, which is when things get a little bit time consuming in a moment, re-adding them all back in. But let's come to that in a second. Now, I'm going to go back into the Philips Hue app, and I'm going to jump through those last couple of pages on the setup screen. Then, on the settings page in the Hue app, we're going to go to Smart Home, and we're going to add a new Smart Home. Now I can choose Apple Home, and it's going to start configuring the new bridge in the Apple Home app. And this process is very simple. It's going to ask what room the device is in, and then we're going to add it, and it will take a moment or two to reconnect. Unfortunately, at this point, you then have to go through and do the same thing for every single one of your lights and your switches as well. So it's going to tell you the name of the light in the Hue app itself. You're then going to confirm you want to import it into Home. You're going to choose the room that it should be in, and you're going to make sure you're happy with the name. Then when you press Continue, you get to do it all again, and again, and again, for every single light and switch. But at this point, we're now connected to that new Hue Bridge Pro, and the Home app is going to be linked up and working as well. And now that bridge is updated, we can enjoy faster response times for our lights, up to 150 lights rather than just 50 on the regular bridge, and of course the all-important new feature Hue Motion Aware. I'm going to jump into another video and show you how that works. So check out the link at the end of this one, and we'll have a look at using motion aware and seeing how good that is or how good it isn't. I'll see you next time on Jacob's Quick Tips.